Welcome back to Andy's Guide. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a receipt for paid invoices. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Xero, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. So, creating a receipt for a paid invoice in Xero is a way to provide your customer with proof of payment. Basically, here's how you can do it. I want you to navigate to the correct account. In my case, I'm switching over to the demo company US because the Andy Guide has limited data to work with. Now, in this case, I'm going to the reconcile 29 items, for example. Now, for example, one of our clients from Ridgeway University has already paid us, like this one. Okay, so they paid like 6,187. I want you to click on OK, so that transaction has been already reconciled. After that, the next thing you need to do is, now I want you to go to the business tab and go to the sales overview because we wanted to see the receipt we have created for the paid invoices right here. And there's going to be a section that says paid. Let's search for that. Okay, so this is the invoice, the paid invoice. Now, all I'm gonna do is you have this option. You can save as draft, click on approve, and approve for sending. In my case, I'm gonna click on approve for sending and send it to the email that you wanted. That's gonna be from Andy Guide. For example, this is, you can of course customize the template on how you wanted. In my case, I'm going to put it something like this one. Right, so you can also include files as attachment, include PDF attachment, send me a copy, all that. But basically the PDF has already been here since we're to save it. All right, we have a separate video on how to customize an invoice here in our channel that you might want to check out. All right, after that, all I'm gonna do is click on save, put in the I'm going to put in the recipient, and that's gonna be and click on save. You can also send me a copy on this email, include PDF attachment, and choose all this section. All right. Now you see one invoice has been approved for sending. After that, you should always consistently issue receipts that reflects well on your business because it contributes to a positive reputation for reliability and customer care. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.